They have a little cutter in here, that way you can cut the packaging safely, like a little envelope cutter here. See the packaging. It's going to take 24 to 48 hours for this to fluff up all the way. The foam, it's really springy and comfortable. This is only after about 4 hours after unwrapping all this, so it's still got puffing up to do. It's not expanded all the way. You have to give it 24 to 72 hours. Usually at least 24 to 48 hours before you see the maximum fullness. But it's already looking good. It's expanded a lot. And it's so soft and comfortable. This mattress has had about 48 hours to finish fluffing up from the packaging. It's looking good. Nice and firm in here. Like, there's a nice soft foam on top, but it's also nice and firm when you lay on it. You don't just, it's not too squishy and it's not too firm. It's kind of right in the middle. Feels really good. There's like an extra foam topper part here, and you can see it's nicely stitched here, nice and thick where they connect the two, and then this is where the springs are down here. So you've got like a soft foamy top, and then the springs down here. It's nice and thick, but our sheets still fit great, so this is really nice. I really like the quality. I like the way it looks. I like the way it feels. Soft, comfortable, and a great night's sleep. So if you're looking for a mattress that's not too firm and not too soft that you're sinking into it, this is a nice medium and it's a great choice. Very thick. This material is really soft, super soft, and this is really nice and spongy, cushy. So when you lay in it, your body like sinks in and it forms around your body, and then when you get up, it just comes right back out. That's what I like about the foam mattresses. This is a nice, deep, thick mattress. And it does have a lot of give. Soft and comfortable, forms to your body. The straps right here so you can move it around easily if you need to.